fix lag and boost FPS in Watch Dogs, Legion on Windows. 1. Make sure your setup meets the requirements. 2. Change your power plan. 3. Install all Windows updates. 4. Update your graphics. Driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Enable hacks, GeForce 10 series or later /Radeon 5600 or 5700 series, in default graphics settings. 6. Perform a clean boot. 7. Run Watch Dogs, Legion via the DirectX 11 mode. 7.1 Open the game's properties in Ubisoft Connect client. 7.2 Press add command line arguments. 7.3 Enter DX11.